Hex truly is a coin that by and large is as of now exchanged at 5 cents per unit, with the market capitalization of $9,812,629,463. That certainly makes it a mid-position digital money in an especially significant manner. Computerized resources like Hex basically have currently commonly turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for kind of retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for certainly enormous institutional financial backers who basically see Hex and the remainder of digital currencies as a successful generally fence against expansion that takes a kind of weighty cost for the worldwide economy, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. So, we should zero in on the Hex market, its kind of current standing, as well as the midterm and by and large long-haul cost forecast that by and large depends on the readings of our kind of exclusive crypto unpredictability record, which generally is very critical. As of now, the cost of Hex in a real sense remains at 5 cents, and this really specific computerized resource most certainly stands firm on the 10th foothold in the worldwide digital currency position, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. For by and large your data, the genuinely positioning of each and every cryptographic money is vigorously dependent on its truly current market capitalization and value, and is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Likewise, to especially get a genuinely better for the most part handle of the market circumstance and truly figure out the in every practical sense, general course of the pattern, or to explicitly enlist its non-attendance, it's likewise critical to dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, or so they certainly thought. Yesterday, on April 24th, the cost of Hex certainly remained at 6 cents at the end of the very day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 3.17% contrast when contrasted with the extremely current cost 7 days prior. On April 18th, the Hex market generally remained at 6 cents as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in a significant manner. As the outcome, the cost for the most part moved by 0% comparable to its in every practical sense present standing a month prior on walk 25. Hex in a real sense was valued at 8 cents, which by and large matched with our cost expectation for that all things considered specific period, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Contrasted with the especially present place of Hex, it addresses a 32.48% cost move, which in every practical sense is very huge. These figures ought to in every practical sense yield you some knowledge into the very current market structure, while our top-to-bottom cost conjecture depends on the appearances of 114, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Yet, to by and large grasp the in every practical sense, generally speaking fundamentally capability of Hex, or any sort of other cryptographic money so far as that is concerned, it's vital to all things considered. Consider the cost variances as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said advanced resource, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, which, as currently referenced, as of now certainly remains at 5 cents, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Considering that recipe, we really have determined the by and large current market capitalization of Hex to generally be at $9,812,629,463, which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among those in every practical sense present on the cryptographic money market, showing how likewise, to get a very better certainly handle of the market circumstance and explicitly grasp the especially broad course of the pattern, or to explicitly enlist its non-attendance, it's likewise critical to examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on April 24th, the market capitalization of Hex in every practical sense remained at $11,047,432,523. Keep going week. On April 18th, the aggregate sum of genuinely capital committed to Hex fundamentally was laid out at $12,091,414,311. The information from a month prior, enlisted on walk 25, shows that Hex most certainly had a market capitalization of $14,532,736,637 in an unpretentious manner. Complete stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that fundamentally have previously been mined, printed, or generally made and are either flowing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders certainly chilly wallets in a truly significant manner. The all-out supply likewise considers any coins that really have been singed to keep a solid expansion rate, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. It very well may be contrasted with the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that is public on the financial exchange incredibly. The all-out supply of Hex right now essentially remains at 633,542,658,973 Hex in an especially enormous manner. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply especially is the most regularly involved really metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which explicitly is very critical. It compares with the best estimate of the general number of coins that for the most part are public on digital currency trades and by and large add to their liquidity incredibly. Their volume doesn't sort of incorporate the coins that truly are vested, marked in especially savvy contracts, secured in computerized wallets, or especially put unavailable for general use, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. The flowing stockpile most certainly is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange. So the circling supply truly is essentially what could be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the securities exchange, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. At the present time, the flowing stock of HEX basically is assessed at 173,411,074,413 HEX, or so they especially thought. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the HEX market fundamentally added up to $6,680,604 in a genuinely significant manner. Yesterday, on April 24th, the exceptionally normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting sort of added up to $8,250,907, showing how yesterday, on April 24th, the cost of HEX truly remained at 6 cents at the end of the especially everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 3.17% contrast when contrasted with the by and large current cost, 7 days prior, on April 18th. The HEX market basically remained at 6 cents as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on April 18th, the force of HEX exchanging all through the meeting came to $9,904,114, which sort of is very critical. This information and the events on the HEX graph can truly assist you with in a real sense surveying for yourselves the especially current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the truly current bearing or making an inversion, exhibiting that it relates with the essentially the best estimate of the genuinely and general number of coins that sort of are public on digital money trades and truly add to their liquidity in a kind of large manner. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability record for the most part is our really essential instrument for making the most reliable expectations in regards to the cost of HEX in 1 to 5 years' time. So it can generally measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that basically is public on the financial exchange and in an every practical sense, enormous way. It basically was made by the by and large in-house group of designers and market experts and sort of was utilized to test an assortment of beneficial exchanging and speculation procedures.